Good morning, children. You can see in the picture this blue color. This is water, and water is present on the earth's surface everywhere. So today's topic is water bodies. Water is an important element of life because we cannot survive without water. We need water for every purpose, like for bathing, for washing clothes, washing utensils, for irrigation purpose, extra. Okay, so the water is present everywhere on the earth's surface. This water which is present on the earth's surface is present in different forms. For example, in rivers, rivers are the flowing water bodies. Lakes are the water bodies where the water is stagnant, water is stored at one place, it's not moving at all. And the ponds are also where the water is not moving, but these ponds are comparatively smaller than the lakes. Okay, then oceans. Oceans are the largest water bodies of the Earth's surface. 71% of the Earth is covered by water. Out of this 71% water, 97% is present in oceans. So, Earth appears blue from space because of this color of the water. There, the average depth of water these oceans is about 4,000 meters. In some places, the ocean is deeper than the tallest mountain. Oceans hold up nearly 97% of the Earth's water. So, as I've told you, there are five major oceans, and these oceans are connected. Okay, all they are connected together. So deep below the oceans are ocean basins. Ocean basins are the land where the water is present, which vary in size, shape, and features due to the movement of the Earth's crust. Hence, we find all the features that we find on the land like peaks, valleys, plains, even in the oceans also. Formation of oceans. So, Earth began as a cloud of dust and hot gases. After the Earth's surface has cooled down over millions of years, the water vapor cooled enough to condense and form clouds. Then torrential means heavy rainfall begins to fall from the clouds. So eventually much of the land was covered by water that formed. So this water gets collected into the hollows. You can see depressions are present here, and these depressions has become uh, oceans later on. So children, five major oceans are Pacific Ocean. As the earth is spherical in shape, spherical means round in shape. So, and this is map. So Pacific Ocean can be seen on both the sides. Then Atlantic Ocean here, Arctic Ocean in the north, and Southern Ocean in the south. Let's study about these oceans. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, covering about 30% of the Earth's surface area. The ocean floor of the Pacific is quite uniform in the depth, having an average elevation of 4,300 meters below the sea level. It borders four continents: North America, South America in the east, Asia and Australia in the west. Equator divides this ocean into two parts: North Pacific Ocean and South Pacific Ocean. The deepest point in the ocean is the Mariana Trench, and the whole world is the Mariana Trench, which lies about 10,994 meters below the sea level. So children, as I've told you, this is the deepest place of the world. This is Mariana Trench here. About 25,000 islands can be found in Pacific Ocean. You can see these islands are present here. Many of these islands are actually the tops of the volcanic mountains formed by the release of molten rock from beneath the ocean floor. The Pacific Ocean is 10 times bigger than the smallest one, that is Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. This ocean got its name from the Ferdinand Magellan, the Portuguese explorer who organized the first circumnavigation. Circumnavigation means the round of the Earth's surface. So children, Mariana Trench is the deepest place of the Earth with the depth of 10,994 meters below the sea level, whereas Mount Everest is the highest place of the Earth, and the height of this Everest is 8,848 meters above the sea level. So children, some of the major seas of the Pacific Ocean are Coral Sea, here, Tasman Sea, Yellow Sea, this one is Yellow Sea, and Sea of Japan here. Now the next ocean is Atlantic Ocean. This is the world's third largest ocean and covers 25% of the Earth's surface. In size, Atlantic Ocean is roughly 6.5 times the size of USA. The ocean body contains most of our planet's shallow seas, but it has relatively few islands. Some of the shallow seas found in the Atlantic Ocean includes the Caribbean Sea. Here is the Caribbean Sea, Mediterranean Sea, okay, Baltic Sea somewhere here, and Black Sea is not seen here, North Sea, Gulf of Mexico, here this is Gulf of Mexico, children. Okay, so the average depth of Atlantic Ocean is about 3,300 meters. The deepest point of Atlantic Ocean is the Milky Way Deep at depth of 8380 meters. That is 8,380 meters. This is a part of the Puerto Rico Trench, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So ridge, this is Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Okay, ridge is the series of mountains standing together, running roughly down the center of this ocean. Separates the Atlantic Ocean into two large basins. This ridge is an underwater, also called submarine, mountain range which extends roughly from Iceland in the north to the South Georgia and South Sandwich Islands to the south of Argentina. This is here Argentina, okay. Then third ocean is Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean covers about 14% of the Earth's surface area and is the third largest ocean. This ocean is enclosed on three sides by landmasses of Africa. This is Africa, then Asia and Australia. The lowest point of Indian Ocean is the Java Trench, somewhere here, as this is Java Island, which is about 7,258 meters. Its average depth is about 3,890 meters. The important seas of this ocean are Persian Gulf, this is Persian Gulf here, then the Red Sea here, the Andaman Sea here, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Gulf of Aden, Gulf of Oman, and Java Sea, Mozambique Channel, the Strait of Malacca between Indonesia and Sumatra. This 10 water body is Strait of Malacca and Timor Sea. There are number of island nations along the continental edges of the Indian Ocean. Some of the major island nations are Madagascar, then Comoros, Seychelles, Maldives, Mauritius and Sri Lanka. The Suez Canal in Egypt and the Strait of Malacca between Malaysia and Indonesia are the two most well-known waterways in Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is known to be the warmest ocean in the world because of the southwest monsoon winds, which accounts for characteristic reversal of the ocean current. Reversal of the ocean current means for the moment they blow from sea to land, and for the other moment they blow from land to sea. The Indian Ocean is vital to ocean trade as it provides major sea routes that connects the Middle East, Africa and East Asia with Europe, North America and South America. Next is Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is also known as Atlantic Ocean. So, Southern Ocean occupies 4% of the Earth's surface. The Southern Ocean completely surrounds Antarctica, as you can see here. This is Antarctica, the white desert, the coldest desert of the world. The Southern Ocean's deepest point is the South Sandwich Trench at the depth of 7,235 meters. Adjacent to this ocean includes the Amundsen Sea, the Bengal Hussein Sea, the Rosa Sea, the Scotia Sea, and the Weddell Sea. The next is Arctic Ocean. You can see the deepest place of this ocean is here. This is the Arctic Ocean at the North Pole. So Arctic Ocean is located around the North Pole across the Arctic Circle. It is the smallest and the shallowest of the world's 5 oceans. This ocean is connected to the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean via small gaps. You can see the small gaps are present here. Okay, so by these gaps, Atlantic Ocean is connected to the Arctic Ocean is connected to the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, etc. Russia, Canada, and Greenland, Iceland, Norway, and the United States border along the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is connected to the Atlantic Ocean by the Greenland Sea. And the Pacific Ocean by the Bering Strait. This is Bering Strait between Asia and North America. This water body is known as Bering Strait. The deepest point in the Arctic Ocean is the Russian Basin at the depth of 5,450 meters. This ocean is strategically important as it is the shortest route between the North America and Russia. It is the major source of very cold air that inevitably moves towards the equator. The cold air then meets with the warmer air in the middle latitudes and cause rain and snow. Now children, the importance of ocean. Why the oceans are important for us. Oceans are important for us because oceans moderate the Earth's temperature. Moderate means they balance the temperature. They don't allow the Earth to become very hot during day or very cold during night. So they moderate the temperature. The oceans are the important source of food like seafood, fish and all this. Energy, that is coal and petroleum. Minerals for many living organisms. Energy sources like coal and oil can be found underneath the ocean floor. 1/3 of the world's table salt means the common salt that we eat, is taken from the ocean salt water. They also make the transportation of goods. As you can see, a bridge from one place to another place, which allow the people to move from one place to the other place. Okay, so they also makes the transportation of the goods by ship and possible. It produces more than half of the oxygen in the atmosphere, oxygen, and uh, absorbs most of the carbon dioxide also. I hope children, this topic is clear to you all. Thank you very much.